आज refugee day, World Refugee Day, and we should juxtaposition क्या छे? पगा छे Yoga Day. Yoga छे rootedness, equilibrium, peace, body, mind, and spirit is करा. The Refugees Day छे issue luggage issue प्रमाण not available. जब साथ में Panin Kachikaram, Buttoners Kachikaram, technically, yes, we are not refugees. Technically, is a law, but it is outcome of law, definition of law, international body, Nitan and Munotai, technically refugees, technically, is migrant. Migrant term, Kitkan Karaki, Askya was ultimately reason Kya was Yosaka, some sort of a sabotage or what. Aspect you can one term use Chief Secretary of Jammu and Kashmir. It is journalist Manoj Raghuvanshi. Use 90s as Mazosi cover Karan news track. So stay so Harvard. Then Chief Secretary of the term migrant will go to court, and that is how migrant tag look. It was a very well calculated terminology used for us. This migrant term is condone state responsibilities. This migrant and this basis bane formulating law about it. Usual parliament list genocide recognition as Kachikaran. Zusas Ardas was JK Alaf Kuru Bear. Reason to Gas was responsible for genocide of Kashmiri Pandits. Rakesh Guava, Chief Secretary and one on air, free video to Moju, Jam Satan Temi Wood, announced and it was from Home Secretary of India. Tampate Nirmala Sitharaman, Finance Minister and Parliament. BJP Takriban Sari, spokesperson, Tim term use Kara. So they actually have recognized it. Recognition cha fulfill karan tab se tum kya farak pe aise because in absence of a law you recognize karan ya na karan it is meaningless. So it can migrant technically it's question of terminology. Ye monno 1948 as mas banyo prevention and punishment convention of United Nations on prevention and punishment of genocide. 1959 as was course Indian Parliament and ratify Article 5 used to 1948 used Article 5 to convention such obligatory banawa state especially them banawa by this country must incorporate current law. 59 as was ratification of Parliament in this sanction to Vilta Manu law Bayu Alta Jamsadan as a push up 2020 as months initiate for I see this is draft review very hospital and it was sent to every member parliament including Prime Minister of India. Jimzan heritage tour world. You must do one make about sign for. But do I agree with that? No, first time bill, Tanka bill now to push sabotage. अगर ये bill was complete या human was सीखना है तो they could have given suggestions, है ना right? And it was for public. तो ऐसा अगर कहा राज सुन के वालों सासा ही किरी. So ये मिसाल में इस काट के करा जितना ऐसे डालस में था उनकी क्षेत्र वरी गई. शायद आख generation मौकली. Extreme generation in exile. Obviously थोड़ा anxiety से डसा. हरकाश वाला कि न्यायो मतलब ये काल में सुने शुद्ध मस को साथ सॉल्यूशन नहीं होता ताज में से कैसा राष्ट्र एंजाइटी की वजह से नर्वसनेस की वजह से आई डोंट डाउट एनीबॉडीज इंटेंशन ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट डाउट इंटेंशन है इसका करे प्रॉब्लम चिकिस वाजह को चुन समझ मुद्दे प्रॉब्लम की क्या है मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम क्या है तो इस सोचो ये लोग Panun Kashmir is an 18 billion rule. Tim Chora 4 achievement of use of Panun Kashmir. Whatever you go with the different customer mass. Tim sorry, this car carry, I am sorry, this car carry. Kashmir was such by and large normalcy. What is the basis? Yeah, I never wanted to give any comment on it, but since I am the chief spokesperson of Panu Kashmir also, it's a responsibility bana to respond. Chor sawal aaj प्रश्न गॉडलुक सवाल आओ डिवीजन Panu Kashmir सगे डिवीजन but किचन का समझा डिवीजन के पिक्चर वही का आइडियोलॉजी पे डिवीजन का ठीक डिस्ट्रैक्ट इट कैन नॉट बी डिनाइड but half fraction charge of ideology through. Nobody. So where is the division? Division now is as a parliament arrangement was works like half the person. So as a good parliament division. How is Panu Kashmir divided into दोनों में फिक्री? ये क्या लॉजिक का जो प्रोडक्ट है आप जैसे कि फ्रैक्शंस क्यों फ्रैक्शंस इट इज वर्किंग ये मतलब आप प्रोडक्ट पकड़ा हुआ day-to-day economic interaction, Panu Kashmir is an ideology. It's an idea. It's a political response to 700 years of genocide, continuous genocide telling us. Idea is not difficult. Actually, urge Panu Kashmir is a fraction या minuscule percentage such a way. जब वो कहीं पास यूरोपीय में सवाल को यूरोपीय fraction is काट कर they were part of Panu Kashmir for 28 years. आपको दिसंबर के साथ आप लोग आइए कि आप प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करना प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस पर जाकर अनाउंस करो whatever the name is. Objective was to get genocide recognized. ये बने ग्रुप यानी कि आप सब बना हुआ conglomerate of different organizations जिम सर काम करने for recognition of genocide. And in fact, to best of my knowledge, ये वो was कि Czechoslovakian human rights advocate से काफी कर ज्यादा दोस्तों केस ऐसा नियम ये इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस और इंटरनेशनल क्रिमिनल कोर्ट यूजन टाइमली जब अपोज करा बिकॉज़ इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस में एक इन प्राइवेट गवाही में से स्टेट हैज टू बी पेटिशन तो इंटरनेशनल क्रिमिनल कोर्ट में एक प्राइवेट बेसिस इंडिविजुअल बेसिस ग्रुप्स बेसिस मगर फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज दैट हैव दे exhausted all the remedies available in their mother country. So, and even the Rome Statute in values International Criminal Court, India actually signatory था, so India actually has jurisdiction accept करना है. So it was not possible anywhere attempt all genocide spectacular. Genocide study is a core of the Vishwai cases schools of thought for genocide study. आपको standard school में आपसे critical genocide study. You should stand on schools which were large scale of genocide as again denial of genocide. Critical schools were large scale of genocide as again consolidation of genocide. Agar the special schools they do comparative study, they are actually the people who came into existence as an organization to get this genocide recognized are the biggest deniers of the genocide. In both, अगर तुम deny से करा, real one refusing to शुरुआती deny, सुविधा से non-vaccine certificate दिवा, सुविधा से offer दिवा ऐसे से करा investments, तो what is this? पता करें कि ऐसे सवाल पूछना, तभी से बना जैसे को insecure, because of retirement, उसका insecure जैसे से काम ही पे लोग का पीएचडी शुआ अवार्ड करना अच्छा भगवत जब तो करना वो तो कराने का एजेंसी को रसा का रात को ते फेलोशिप गवर्नमेंट ऑफ स्टेट का कल्चर exile concept exile literature so when anybody asks this question Panu Kashmir and क्या कुछ शेख नाम बना जिसको मतलब ईशा out of ignorance ईशा deliberate is it an attempt that has to be thought about because what had 36 years of this history back ये तो बड़े even एक migrant तनखा दूध एक से किस तनखा release कर था that is now protest हुआ कर longest ever protest in the Sugai under the leadership of Panu Kashmiri income tax rebate schedule under the leadership of Panu Kashmiri. So when somebody asks you the achievements kya you should it's a cheap proposition. First question this, you question if you achieve. Secondly, what is important is Kshetra Pariyamas existence winning only force, only recognized force is found. And when the achievement I can present and when everything is adverse situation, whether it is state, yaka, Padam Kashmir moved status all time threat. So, but the Congress was a present dispensation. So, state government does a union government does a. Here, because you have to respond to 700 years of continuous genocide. Something divine. The Yundan Prasad Kasa Guru achievement, money achievement, is a soar achievement. Genocide as a acid promote place. Pikachu Sanjay Rana, 1993, as a petition, one of the petitioners. So you are petitioner. You have certain chance. So, basic genocide is because achievement as a we cannot deny that. Kashmir Files is a landmark thing. You cannot deny that. Doing Casa achievement, SSS Sanke, Lieutenant Governors, Bakima Sanke equals. Is it an achievement? Panun Kashmir and all Prime Minister Rao conference, the Prime Minister gave his innumerable time, Manoj Sanke. But it is not something to be highlighted. It's simple, no. He is head of the state, we have events, so we will go to it. So, career like we did not bend our body or come onto our knees. We resisted actually what we want, but the sun is sugar. And you must acknowledge the state, Lieutenant Government. You say claim Shiva Karna, Ashasa Banno, Narsangha, Utra. Shakunu Farwari Sasha Music. Professor A.K. Polas's book release. Any Lieutenant Governor would tell you, Jusasa, genocide of Kashmiri Pandits denied Karan. Sausage inflict Karan, second genocide. Within 3 or 4 months, he became the poster boy of denial of genocide of Kashmiri Pandits. Yes, his statement was Lieutenant Governor of Jammu Kashmir. The surge is one exactly parallel to my words. Had there be a law in place, genocide law, it requires prosecution. Denial of genocide is a crime in itself under international law. Unfortunately, officially we have not been declared as genocide victims and survivors. Officially recognized. It's a natural law. So we have to work on these laws. As a aspect of that. Obviously, if certain genocide bill has started, we did presentations in the ministries also. Technically, issues divided political nature, but I should persistently about the movement, will time. Any movement, like the French Revolution, American Revolution, Indian national movement, 30 seconds, she just caused the movement survival. And with every passing day, it is getting more strengthened. You know, you must say studio activists. I started as well, you must say studio activist. Once you should never get temperature, you can look at the trap. Studio activist. Yes, existence dependent every other organization because of us. Otherwise, they are valueless. It was common and this is common. Agricultural genocide study is pretty. You should side for good even Jews and since they monopolize the genocide study completely. Jews and Israel. It's not asymmetrical. कैसा anxiety, कैसा जैसा information आप जो माना, yes, मेरे पासा, ऐसे पैसे पांच introspect करना. मेरे पैसे चाहे पासा, most of the people, first and foremost, in the Indian army, not all, they are not NRIs. NRI goes through Indian passport as. overseas citizen of India, that much citizenship rights you are getting. Section 7 of the Citizens Act. Even visa, stay, and education of the their rights, but not citizenship rights. So they are foreign nationals for all practical purposes. But since they are also refugees, it is fair that we are here to say so they are part of our society, which we cannot deny, but certainly they are not analyzed. I mean, most of them are foreign nationals. Especially if we have not been able probably to educate people about the situation which is misinformed. Usually, any fake organization, he forgets it is the original organization. You mentioned trans, displaced, minority. So when I employ the create original Sadhan Bani Ami, Patabani, Arbani minority, Arbani displaced. Minority world reconciliation world, displaced world Chanamara. You can displace part of the immediately core usual trap to do protest. So they are not well informed, but image on the ground is protected. That is probably, and it is, we have to take this honor on ourselves that we need to educate them. Both Spanish Sunchit Vichalaki, which are through did we follow Kashmir, but they don't need to be educated. But once you fix the Taraki, Santo Durvichi, you might educate them. William Satan, but we should pay audacity cash. Achievement was SSA post during COVID. It's shameful. COVID has not scored Jagti Vajo. Jagti Kyaman Kuri Pastor Jeham Doha. Langar 45 days. Kashmiri team style. Source quality of food was such that DRDO hospital received the bio that superintendent source a shift to it gives us a staff. Tampa dono my patient and koi. Lagbag shan hatan lokan ऐसे regularly पालते जान तो इच्छा थकने की बात का इच्छा regime था. Just stop with it. We were in crisis, so you कुछ करे, because achievements. As I said, the post concentrated, only God knows. Agreement did it. It's an achievement. Majority of agriculture which are part of Kashmir, major which I said contribution to you are from camps, not from so-called elites. Timur Milaza, Mataji Kor Adi to go to Rasa Africa. This is integrity. This is trust. Absolutely, trust you, responsibility. This is so we need to introspect on certain things as to how to educate, how to make the update current information systems. So that you want to or other misinformed. Each responsibility as to make them informed. Informed citizen should instrument to realize goal than an uninformed citizen. Give them problems to create. Secondly, as to soon after in collaboration with John Raj Institute, look at courses on genocide studies. So that we are able to make people aware exactly problem package. ये क्या इशू इसके करा? Aspect Rwanda's studies, Armenia's studies, but aspect वाले studies, except for our study with Ravindra Gurtu civil social danger. Such as इसके इसके behave करा, इसके behave करा. Such why in amicus much studies for that we need people. Give them courses current. Is there a short term courses currently, but very soon we will be initiating this process also. Secondly, but important should be is amicus refugee day refugee, but we do have some sort of sensitivity towards the displaced people. We are suffering. Displacement. This provides, it creates an opportunity. We get educated and we educate people also. Greatest advantage, exchange of ideas. Exchange of ideas is awareness. So, Yemli group should violate issue policy of Alu, peace or normalcy in Kashmir is the period between two incidents. God forbid, story. So we have to get consolidated, honest. We have to be more vigilant. We have to be more active. The UR team. Mr. Brilliant girl, you need participate of responsibility. Not about starting campaigning, they actually use interaction. So, and up connect to create honest country, and they have taken this responsibility well. Congratulations for this. The secondly, Ashwan next program, Umar Saban, I think, I may lie, Umar Saban. Umar of the land, you are sarcastic necessary. First monsoon session was a Karavis Parliament respect, gentlemen respect protest for state. Pan Kashmir Tangido has announced that Tangido Karavis petty gentlemen respect counter protest to get out of the outside regarding. So most probably up to July first day of monsoon session. So next time I go, we all meet again at Dr. Mandar. Jai Ram, Jai Ram.